Are you tired of those stubborn breakouts that just won't go away, no matter what you try? It could be your daily habits that are secretly triggering your acne. In this video, I'll show you, heavy checkmark, the top 7 habits that are making your acne worse, what you should start doing today, and a simple, science-backed skincare routine just for acne-prone skin. Stay till the end, because even one change can give you the clear skin you've been dreaming of. 1. Overwashing your face. Washing your face more than twice a day strips away natural oils. This causes your skin to produce more oil, leading to clogged pores and breakouts. Wash only twice a day, morning and night, using a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser. Sleeping with makeup on. No matter how tired you are, never sleep with makeup. It clogs pores and traps dirt and oil on your skin. Use micellar water or a lightweight oil cleanser to remove makeup before bed. Touching your face frequently. Your hands carry bacteria. Constantly touching your face transfers germs to your skin, which can cause pimples and inflammation. Be mindful. Keep your hands away from your face. Not changing pillowcases and towels regularly. Your pillowcase collects oil, sweat, and bacteria every night. If you're not changing it at least twice a week, you're literally sleeping on acne triggers. Use a clean pillowcase every 2 to 3 days, preferably silk or cotton. Dirty phone screens. Your phone touches your cheeks, and it's covered with bacteria. Wipe your phone screen daily with alcohol wipes. Stressing too much. Yes, stress causes hormonal imbalances that lead to breakouts. Worrying about acne can actually cause more acne. Try journaling, yoga, or even 10 minutes of deep breathing every day. Now that you know what not to do, let's talk about what you should do. Here's a dermatologist-approved skincare routine that's simple, budget-friendly, and actually works for acne-prone skin. Follow this routine daily, and within weeks, you'll notice a visible difference. Your skincare starts with a clean face. Use a gentle, gel-based cleanser with ingredients like salicylic acid, clears pores, removes dead skin. Tea tree oil, antibacterial. Or benzoyl peroxide, fights acne-causing bacteria. Toners are not always necessary, but they help. Look for niacinamide, balances oil production, reduces redness. Witch hazel, natural astringent, tightens pores. Don't use toners with alcohol, they dry out your skin and cause irritation. Apply gently using your hands or a cotton pad. This is the most powerful step in your routine. Depending on your acne type, choose the right treatment. For active acne, benzoyl peroxide kills acne bacteria. Salicylic acid exfoliates inside pores. For acne marks/redness, niacinamide reduces spots, inflammation. Use only a pea-sized amount. Applying more doesn't mean faster results. Moisturizer. Yes, even oily or acne-prone skin needs moisturizer. Skipping this step makes your skin produce even more oil to compensate. Gel-based or water-based moisturizer. Look for non-comedogenic label, means it won't clog pores. Ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, green tea are great. Apply to slightly damp skin to lock in moisture. Sunscreen. This is the most underrated acne solution. Sun exposure makes acne worse, darkens spots, and causes early aging. Before buying sunscreen, really have to be careful. Use only oil-free SPF 30 or higher. Gel or matte finish sunscreen. Look for broad-spectrum protection, UVA plus UVB. Reapply every 3 to 4 hours if you're outside or sweating. This routine doesn't need fancy products or a 10-step process. Just consistency and the right ingredients. Stick to this routine for 21 to 30 days, and your skin will slowly become clearer, calmer, and more confident. If this video helped you even a little bit, don't forget to like, share it with a friend, and comment below your biggest skincare struggle. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more real, no-filter skin advice. Your clear skin journey starts right here.